How's it going, guys? Bradley Sutton with Helium10 here. This is going to be your pro training on how to have multi-user accounts on Helium10. First of all, why would you even want this? Well, actually, more than 100 of our users requested this of us in the last 2 months alone. And that's why we went ahead and integrated it. It's kind of like on Seller Central. If you guys are Amazon sellers, you have a Seller Central admin account, right? You have different departments. Like maybe you have a department that specializes in making the listings. Maybe you have a department that specializes in the shipping, right? Well, you don't want the shipping guys to accidentally screw something up with a PPC campaign or the actual listing. So you might give them a sub user account on your Seller Central that just gives them access to what they need access to, okay? The same thing, maybe you're a PPC guy, you don't want them looking into the whole entire financials of your company. You might limit that visibility. Well, it's the same thing. In Helium10 now, we've got so many tools that what happened was some sellers were like, wow, you guys have profits now. That's great. I can see all of the profits of my Seller Central account, but I use a VA to do my keyword research in the Helium10. I really don't want them looking into my profits or what my inventory is. Is there any way to give them a special account so that they only have visibility with what I want them to see? And that's why we came up here exclusively for Diamond members. If you have a Diamond membership to Helium10 or a Diamond subscription, you're going to have access to multi-user accounts. So let's go ahead and show you how to set that up. You're going to click on your little icon right here, and you're going to hit user accounts, okay? So once you get to this page, you're going to say, hey, I'm going to add a new user, all right? And now, once you hit add new user, did I click it? Yes, I did. I'm going to put their name, say Bradley, VA1, whatever. And the email address, I'm going to just give a random one of my spam account email addresses right here. Bradley Sutton. All right. I'm going to create the user, and then boom, new user was successfully added right here. Okay. So I'm going to do manage permissions. That's the very first things I want to do. I'm going to say, hey, I'm going to give them black box and x-ray. I want them to use Cerebro. I want them to use Magnet. They definitely need keyword tracker, but hijacker alert, profits, the plan details. I don't want them knowing how much I pay, or I don't want them fooling around with that. There, I only want them to have this. All right. So that's what I just gave them right here, these 4 tools, okay? Now what happens is once you send that, the VA is going to get that in an email. So I'm going to go to another window right here. Let me see here. And I am going to off screen here and find my email. And so let's pretend now I'm the VA and I just went into my email. I just get this email. Take a look right here. It says right here, so just so you guys can see what I'm doing. It says here, you've been granted access to our Helium10 account. Your username is this. Click here to set your password and activate. So I'm going to go ahead and open this in an incognito window. Your user doesn't need to do this, but I'm doing this because I'm already logged in right here. I'm just doing this for demonstration purposes. All right. So now I've entered, I've opened that link, and I'm going to set my password. All right. So I'm setting my password. Okay. Now I set my password. There we go. Now this takes me to the login page. All right. This is where they need to log in. They need to go ahead and bookmark this, your VA or your employee, whatever the case might be, because they cannot get to your sub account just going to helium10.com. All right. And logging in. Very important, guys. I'll say that again. They cannot log in with the sub account just from helium10.com. They have to use this special login. And if they lose this page, that's fine. Where do I have that? Right here on your user account page, you have that link right here. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this. Let's just say I lost it. And it's the same thing right here. Okay. So now they're going to enter in what they had entered, what they had used to set up their account. All right. And now I'm going to go ahead and log in. And what happens now is now I am logged in under this account. And do you guys notice what happened over here? Look, all they have access to is Black Box, Magnet, Cerebro, and Keyword Tracker, which is what I gave them access to. How cool is that, guys? Now they can't go into profits. Like if they tried to go into profits, look, you are not authorized to access this page, okay? They don't even have access to the other tools right here. Maybe they need something else later. What can you do? You can go right into their account, manage their permissions, and then you'll go right into here and say, hey, now I want them to have Frankenstein, okay? So now they can have Frankenstein. So the next time they log in or if they refresh, look at that. Now they have access to Frankenstein, guys. So again, this is only available on the Diamond plan. Great reason to upgrade. There's other advantages of the Diamond plan. You get more keywords you can track. You get some more usage on some other of our tools. But this is probably now the #1 reason why you should have the Diamond. If you're a big seller and you want to have multi-user accounts, upgrade to the Diamond plan and run through this process, and you're going to be able to set up your employees or your VAs with your sub-user accounts. Thanks, guys.